Hi, I'm Sara Levin, the Artful Inker, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute mini Easter favor that I shared on my blog yesterday. So you're going to need your Stampin' Trimmer and a piece of 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and you're going to place it in your trimmer in portrait, and then we're going to start and score. I will have a downloadable PDF on my blog, so you don't need to worry about where I'm scoring. This will just show you how to do it. Then we're going to turn to landscape and score again. And then we need to turn it back to portrait, and we're going to score 2 of the tabs only. Let me get my cardstock in here at the right point, and we're going to score this tab, and then we're going to skip and score from this line out to the edge. Okay, let's put the trimmer away and begin trimming away some of the excess. So with your small tab to the right, we're going to trim. Cut the long portion of the tab off, and then you're going to cut away this whole first section. Then cut above the score line and down next to what would have been the 3rd tab, and then cut down through and just the top portion above the score line, and you're going to come back and miter all of the corners. Don't forget to do this small section at the top of this tab. Turn it over and cut between all of the tabs that will be the bottom of the box. And then you're going to go back and miter each of the 3 tabs to the left. That will help the box bottom fit together more neatly. And finally, I like to take a small portion off of the bottom of this tab. Okay, so now let's fold this box together. Put a little adhesive. Okay. After you've added adhesive, make sure that your bottom and sides are square and adhered to each other. Then fold in the side tabs and tuck in the top. And set that aside. Next, we need to take the 1 3/8 scallop punch and punch 1 scallop circle and set that aside. And then we're going to do just a little bit of stamping with the Teeny Tiny Wishes stamp set. I have placed my stamp on the stamparatus already. It says Happy Easter. And I'm going to use Peekaboo Peach ink and ink up my Happy Easter, but I'm going to mask off Easter with a scrap, because Happy Easter, even though it's teeny tiny, is too wide to fit on my 1-inch circle punch. And I'm going to stamp happy. And then I'm going to blot off and move my paper over and up just a little bit. And let's see if we've got this lined up. Just about. Okay, my Easter doesn't look straight. The grid lines on the Stamparatus lid help with that. And up just. Okay, now I'm going to use that same scrap, and this time I'm going to mask off, sorry about my arms in the camera. Let's see if I can do this with left-handed. So I'm going to ink up Easter. Well, sorry. Okay. And there you go. Let's put this out of the way. All right, so now we need a couple of dimensionals. This is just going to go right here. And here. Let me close my ink pad before I dip my hands in it. And then we're going to wrap the box with some striped grosgrain ribbon in Peekaboo Peach. And I tend to not cut my ribbon off until I have tied my bow. Okay, so I'm going to pull this back across and through. I'm just tying a knot. And then we'll trim up. Quick and easy. A mini Easter favor box. Thanks for stopping by. This was Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I would love it if you would click the subscribe button for YouTube and then hop on over to my blog and see what I'm sharing there. See you again. Bye.